You are now watching Doorbell News.
This episode is brought to you by Doorcade. Doorcade is the only battering ram resistant door security device designed to turn your bedroom into a safe room. It's time to get serious about your home security. Get yours today at Doorcade.com. There's been reports of Zillow scams going on right now. People are making listings of properties for rent that they don't own.
I have a question. Is this house listed for rent on Zillow? Yeah, is this house listed for rent on Zillow? So it is listed for rent on Zillow? Okay, because I've been talking with an agent on Zillow about renting this property for a year lease, but I couldn't tell if it was a real listing or not because it seemed like a scam. So I thought about just coming by and confirming with the owners. Okay, so it's a real listing and Mike is the agent? Okay, because I submitted an application and I paid for it and he said he never got it, so I was just a bit confused.
And do your due diligence, especially if they ask you for cash.
Someone asked.
Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Oh, they missed him. Oh, he bust his ass. Oh, they on his ass. Oh, shit. Hey, on. DNA deep. Oh, they talking about you got a hell.
So I will smack the fuck out of you. Please get out my house. You're not gonna raise your voice in my motherfucking house. Just send this bitch and get the fuck out of my house.
Looks like it's time for him to retire.
You're killing me, man. Shut up. Rachel, how heavy is it? All right, good. Hold on.
Looks like somebody needs their license revoked.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You got that? You got that? Oh my gosh, he's crashing into everything.
You done that!
No, I did. I'm trying to get him out of here. Get out of here. Get.
Oh my god.
A bear took over the trash can. Check her out. Looks like somebody was partying. Did she just fall asleep? That fast? Isn't that called narcolepsy?
Wake up.
Have you ever been that tired?
Wake up. I did. No. I did. Get up. I did. Come on. I did.
This guy accidentally walked into the wrong apartment while this guy was sleeping on the couch.
Sir,
Yeah. Well, Overseer, right? Overseer?
I don't know.
Who else is this? Is this Now?
Shaniqua?
Now.
Nah.
It's not Now? Oh my God. I'm tripping. You know what Aubrey and Nate said?
They stay across, I think.
Across this?
More like
Right across the hall?
That could end it real bad if that guy liked to carry. Covington, Kentucky. Hey, meanwhile in Philadelphia, New Jersey. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Check this guy out.
Call on, Silver. Wait. Call on, Silver.
What's he up to?
So really cold. Yeah. You missed this. Oh,
He's doing a little dance.
Yeah. Bitch, wake the f*** up. Bitch ass.
Gross. Shout out to the Texarkana police for delivering this guy's groceries after his delivery driver was arrested.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Have a blessed day. Okay?
Thank you. You too.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you need?
Takes a picture of the order, then he walks off with it. Look at him. Yeah, we got you on camera, buddy. Hey, delivery, put that back. That was my dinner. Look at you limping off. Here's another delivery worker who's going inside of somebody's refrigerator. He snags a beer and puts it in his pocket. He comes back later to take the whole 12-pack.
What I say, stop.
Bitch, I ain't listening to you. I don't fuck with you. Don't cheat ass on my motherfucking face.
Ain't nobody in the house.
Bitch, she is up in there.
Man, ain't nobody in
Come down
there.
there.
Ain't nobody in there.
No.
Oh, gee,
No, bitch. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Come here. Come here, bitch. Y'all fucking?
Stop.
How many y'all fucking?
No.
Y'all fucking
No.
right? Y'all fucking
No,
right?
well, I stay over here
Y'all
anyway.
fucking right?
Stop.
No, ma'am. Bitch, you I swear to God. Well, Andy said that shit.
Where's she, man? That bitch still.
Looks like she took it too far. She turned a simple relationship issue into a home invasion.
I'm a cop.
Yeah?
911 is the welfare check. I'm a CPS mandated reporter, and I know where our kids are hiding.
Wrong house.
Get lost!
Looks like her cat is having an issue with her right now.
Yo, sinkhole.
Listen to me, when you get your
Oh
car
my
out,
God, bro.
you'll get your,
Look at that.
you'll get your thing, okay?
right on the highway.
Listen to me.
Wild.
Insane. Look at that.
Bowling Green, Kentucky. A bear was spotted on top of someone's boat. Kansas City, Missouri. This FedEx driver was fired. Sandy Springs, Georgia. Check out this dash cam footage. He said you got the wrong one.
Hey, he's grabbing.
Wow. Columbus, Ohio. This woman was spotted lingering in this homeowner's driveway. He later noticed that his car was keyed. Another delivery worker acting up. Looks like she parked right on the yard. She didn't even pull in the driveway. She parked right in the grass. Wow. Wow. The audacity.
What is that? Dude. That's crazy.
Maybe some sort of meteor or something lit up the sky.
What just happened?
What the fuck was
Oh
that?
my god. Is it a storm? Did somebody wreck? Did something blow up? What the f?
Looks like grandma's still up to no good.
Open the motherfucker door.
Conyers, Georgia. Are you opening the door for this guy? Now Memphis, Pretoria. A rideshare driver is being praised for how calm she stayed during a robbery. They made her transfer money from her bank account to theirs. Fortunately, she kept her cool and made it out safely. Yeah, That's why you gotta keep your cool.
Beneficial. Digilele. Kira Kaysen. Moen. Samuan. Oh. Respect them. Okay. Hello, you are Anjo. Naka. Kaysen. Kaysen Dashi. Okay, sharp. Respect them, sir. I'm not slow for Brian. Look at Pino Conference. Then I'm going.
Make sure you leave some comments. Let us know what city you're in. And make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.
Oh, it is a yeah, picture. Well, that's nice, people said you have that. I'm not serious. Sorry. Not Kelahan. I expect them to. So much I get to Kelahan. We say in text. You know this. I know Mutina Linaped. Hey, Nalinaped. In Naped. Yes? Yon, unya boiti. Footage kikira tamufununya. Ya. Okay. Ai nalena fona.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.